Hey everyone, and welcome back to Medidate, the super easy studio management software. Today we're going to go through the student's info page. So let's just find one of my students in my studio. Let's say student 3, and I'll press the I button, the information, and that'll take me to the page where I have all the details about this student in my studio. So I have the general details about the student. I can enter their phone number, different details, the health condition, if I need some sort of health condition to stand out and to know about the student. So let's say they had a back injury 3 years ago. Send a health statement form. Basically, if it's filled, then this button will be in green, and that'll take me to the filled statement form. Student note, that's the same student note that you'll find in the homepage in the My Students table. Studio terms, you can resend the studio terms and have them accept them. If the student didn't receive an email after you've added them to the studio, or something happened, you can try again by resending an invite here, and save changes. If you've changed one of these details, please press on the save changes. This next table shows us all the classes that this student attended in. Right now I have only one class, so it'll show me the class, the session, the note that I have about this class, and how they paid for it, how they settled the payment for it, for that class. And of course, I can adjust the time frame to see different time frames of attendance of this student. The last box on the bottom is the student's plans. Right now, they have only one active plan, but also it'll show you afterwards different plans that already expired. I can add a plan to the student over here as well, different plans. You can also adjust the different details about this plan if you need to change the expiration date, if you need to adjust the entries used. Usually you don't use this unless, I don't know, you came to an agreement with one of the students and they want to punch their ticket for a different person, then you can use that, of course. But it's always best to punch the ticket inside a class like this, and that takes care of the entries used. The manually punched, usually you shouldn't use that. So that's it. That's all about the information page of the student. Thank you for watching.